Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file a 165 statement. This form is a crucial quarterly withholding tax statement used to report the tax you've deducted from different payments. It's a mandatory filing for all designated withholding agents, ensuring proper tax compliance. Understanding its purpose is the first step to a smooth filing process. We'll cover everything you need to know. To file your 165 statement accurately, you'll need specific information. This includes the payee's scenic or NTN, their complete address, and comprehensive payment details. Be sure to clearly state the total amount paid and the exact tax withheld. Remember, quarterly statements have strict deadlines, typically the 20th day of the month after the quarter concludes, so plan accordingly. Filing your 165 statement is straightforward through the FBR Iris portal. First, log in with your unique credentials. Then, navigate to the Withholding and Advanced Tax section. You'll have the option to either manually enter your data or upload a pre-filled Excel file. After inputting all details and attaching any necessary CPRs, carefully verify everything before finally submitting your statement. Even if you haven't withheld any tax during a quarter, you must still file a nil return for the 165 statement to avoid penalties. Beyond the quarterly filings, remember that annual withholding statements are also required under Section 165, covering both salaries and other payments. Always ensure all your filings are complete and on time. And hey, for staying refreshed throughout your busy day, check out the Oala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.